Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 4, that is Features in Microsoft Word 2013. So we start from where we left off the last day in the last class. So we are in the options in the setting page. So page size. The next topic is page size. The page size refers to the height and width of the paper on which the printout is taken. You can choose different page sizes such as A4, A5, etc. The default page size, of course, in MS Word is the letter size. Setting page margins. To set the page margins, follow the steps below. Step number 1, click on Page Layout tab. Step number 2, click on Margins option in the Page Setup group. A list of predefined margin settings appear. Step number 3, click on a predefined margin setting. Step number 1, click on this Page Layout tab. Here is your Page Layout tab. You click on this. The next, step 2, click on the margins option. As you click on, a list of margin settings appear. Step number 3, here we have chosen narrow. You can choose any of the margins option which suits you. More page margins option. To specify a different value for page margins, you have to open the page setup dialog box. So there you have seen in the predefined page setup margins, there is no scope for giving a customized value. If you want to give a customized value for yourself, then you have to open the page setup dialog box. So the steps are, step number 1, click on the custom margins option. The page setup dialog box appears. Step number 2, type the values for top, bottom, left and right margins. Step number 3, click on OK. The margins of the page are set accordingly. Now let us see step number 1. Here is your custom margin option. It's the last option in the list of margin settings. Step number 2. As you click, the page setup dialog box appears. So here is your margin sections shown in this red box. To give the values for top, bottom, left and right. The default is 1 inches. You can increase or decrease. This is your step number 2. And step number 3, finally, when it is over, you have to click the OK button. Now settings page orientation, setting the page orientation. The steps to set the page orientations are, step number 1, click on the page layout tab. Step number 2, click on the orientation option in the page setup group. Step number 3, select the orientation as portrait or landscape. The default is portrait. Now let us see step number 1. You have to click here in the page layout tab. Step number 2, you have to click this orientation option. See, the default is portrait. Step number 3, here you will be choosing the landscape as an option. Setting the page size. Steps to set the page size are, click on the page layout tab. This is your step number 1. In the ribbon, you have to click on this page layout tab. Step number 2, click on the page size option in the page setup group. A list of paper size appears. This is your page size option in the page setup group. These are the list of paper sizes that appears. And step number 3, choose the desired page sizes. Many are there. You can choose any of your choice on which you will be printing. So let us now see practically what we have learned today. So first of all, we have to set the page margins. For that, click on the page layout tab, and in the page setup group, here is your page setup group. Click on the margins option. As we click, different margin setups are already given. So click any one of your choice. It will be according to your own margins. Now, if you don't want this predefined margins, you want to give your own top margin different from bottom, left different from right. So 4 margins you want to give differently. Then click on the margin tab again, margin option again, and go to the last option, that is custom margin. You click on this custom margin, the page setup dialog box appears, and here is your margin section. Okay, now you can manually give values for top, bottom, left and right. After this, click on OK button. Clear? Next is orientation. Again, the page layout tab, click on the orientation option in this page setup group. 2 types of orientation is there. See, the portrait is automatically highlighted, so that is the default one, means the page will be printed lengthwise, and the other one is landscape. Now the page will be printed widthwise, so the width is bigger than the length. Okay, so these are the types of orientations. Then page size. Actually, we create document to print it on a paper or a page. So first we have to see what is the size of the page. So we have to manually fit the measure the size. Okay, whether it is adjustable in our printer or not, manually measure the size. Then you have to set up the size here in the document in MS Word. So for that, again, the page layout tab, the size option, different sizes are given. See, the first is highlighted A4. This document is previously formatted in A4 size. You can give your own size. So according to that page size, it will be formatting. Clear? If you don't want these predefined sizes, want to give your own size, your paper size is not the one which is given here, then click on this more paper sizes option. The page setup dialog box opens. Here in the paper size drop down list, click on it, scroll down and go to the custom size option, the last one. There, here the width and the height you can give manually in inches after measuring your actual paper. Then that paper will be formatted according to this document. Okay, after everything is done, move back to the OK button, click on OK, you are done. So this is all about setting the page. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Practice in your computer or device. Until the next class, until the next video, it's goodbye and happy learning.